Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve technical writing with Grammarly, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your technical writing with Grammarly, start by creating an account on Grammarly's website. Once registered, download the Grammarly browser extension for seamless integration. Install the extension and enable it in your browser settings. Open your preferred writing platform, such as Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Begin typing your technical document as you normally would. Watch for Grammarly's real-time suggestions as you write. When you notice an underlined word or sentence, hover over it to see Grammarly's recommended changes. Review the suggestions carefully, distinguishing between grammatical corrections and stylistic improvements. Click on a suggestion to apply the change instantly to your text. If you're unsure about a recommendation, click on the three dots next to it to explore more context. After completing your draft, click on the Grammarly icon in your browser to access the overall document feedback. Review the performance score provided by Grammarly, which reflects the clarity, engagement, and delivery of your writing. Take note of any critical issues highlighted in the report. Focus on the suggestions that address clarity, ensuring complex ideas are presented simply. Adjust your writing according to Grammarly's recommendations, paying attention to passive voice and sentence structure. Utilize Grammarly's tone detector to ensure your writing matches the intended audience. Consider using the plagiarism checker within Grammarly to ensure your content is original. Once your revisions are complete, read through your document one final time for coherence. Present your revised technical document for feedback from peers or team members to ensure external clarity. Integrate the feedback received into your final draft to enhance quality. Explore Grammarly's premium features for deeper insights and advanced suggestions as your writing skills grow. With these steps, you can effectively elevate your technical writing using Grammarly's comprehensive tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.